Hi, welcome back to GEESYS Technology. GEESYS Technology have been manufacturing various range of LT distribution panel boards. Today we are going to see one of the fast moving product that is called SSB Panel Board. So this is the sub-switch distribution panel board which has the input of 200 amps and which has 6 output of 63 amps. This panel board is being constructed with CRCA sheet metal enclosure from Tata Steel, and all the sheet metal whatever we use are manufactured with 16 SWG or 14 SWG steel sheets. This complete panel is processed through 7-tank pre-treatment process, and it is powder coated with epoxy powder so that the panel ensures the longer reliability and rust-free working. This panel is being supplied to one of the CMDA projects, so where the CMDA is building a community hall in Alandur. The complete panel board package is being supplied by GEESYS and it is being approved by PWD of Tamil Nadu. In this panel, we have studied the complete thermal management and we have provided the proper air ventilation and louvers in the panel so that the panel works coolly throughout the lifetime of the panel. In this panel, left side of the complete section we have provided for cable chamber, right side of the complete section we have provided for the busbar chamber, the center is for the feeder chamber. This complete panel is floor mountable. This panel we have provided with a 100 mm base which can be kept on the trench so that the cable entry can be either bottom entry or top entry for the cables. This panel has a heavy duty lifting hook, so for easy transportation of this panel, and this panel can be openable on both sides, either on the front side or rear side of the panel can be opened so that both the side we can operate the panel. The complete panel has been built with a pure copper busbar, that is ETP grade busbars. So the copper busbar ensures the better efficiency and longer life for the panel board. So 3-phase availability is being monitored with ROB indication lamp. The complete energy is being monitored with this multifunction energy meter. So whatever units has been consumed from this panel, so the complete consumption units are being recorded in the multifunction meter, and also the multifunction meter has the provision to show the voltage, current, power factor, power, energy and all other parameters, and we can take the data output from here to the SCADA system so that by remote we can also see what is the consumption of the panel and how the panel is working. So everything can be monitored on cloud. So the smartness of the panel already built in. So for trouble-free maintenance, we have provided the clear stickers and labels, and also we have provided the single line diagram, that is SLD in the panel. Everything is being clearly indicated here, and for the safety we have provided the danger stickers and indication labels so that every human who works on the panel may be very cautious and it is more safe to work. And the complete panel constructed with a double side earthing, so all the MCCBs are earthed, and also the panel has the both side earthing. Once it is being earthed, the panel is 100% safe. So if you want such a good design and reliable sub distribution panel boards or LV distribution panel boards, reach GEESYS. We can able to understand your requirement, and based on your requirement we can design a good quality and very reliable, and at the affordable cost we can able to supply a good panels. So reach GEESYS Technology. Thank you so much.